Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in Canada. So in order to buy crypto, you can use various types of exchanges, but for this video, I'm going to use Bitunix.com because it is fast, reliable and cheap, and you can get almost all of the cryptos that you are interested in very easily. So if you want to create your account on Bitunix, I will put my link down in the description, so you can use that link in order to save 25% on the trading fees on this platform. Now, once you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be redirected on bitunix.com. One thing that in order to buy crypto on Bitunix, you don't need to actually provide your IDs or anything into it. So the sign up process is also very simple here. Now, here you need to click on the markets tab in the top, and by default you will be on the futures tab, but you need to select the spot tab, and here you will be able to see various types of cryptocurrencies that you can purchase. Now, before purchasing the cryptocurrencies, you need to first deposit some USDT into your account, and in order to deposit it, you just have to hover over to assets and click on deposit. After that, you just have to simply select that particular coin which you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit USDT. So after selecting USDT, you need to select the network. There you will be able to see three different networks: TRC20, ERC20 and Matic. So among these, Tron and the Polygon Matic are the cheapest ones, so you can use any of these. Let's say I have selected the Polygon Matic network. So after selecting it, it has given me the deposit address as well as the QR code. So you just have to copy this address from here, and then you just have to use any other exchanges that you want in order to fund your Bitunix account. Now, once you have enough USDT in your account, you just have to come to spot and then select the crypto that you want to purchase. Let's say you want to purchase Bitcoin, so you need to click on Bitcoin, and then you will be landed on the BTC chart. If you want to change into any other coin, so you can even see this list in the left hand section, so you can click any of these and you will be able to see the chart of that particular coin. So as I have selected BTC in the USDT pair, so you just have to simply scroll down, and here you can either place the limit order or the market order. So if you don't know the differences between these two, then let me tell you that if you have selected the market order, then you are going to purchase BTC on the current price, which is this as of right now. But if you want your own price, if you want to purchase it, let's say on $45,000, then you can set the limit order, and here you can enter your price. After that, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to purchase, and then you just have to simply click on the buy button. Now, once you have selected the limit order and place the buy button, whenever the BTC price comes to the limit that you have set, your order will be placed automatically. If you select the market order, then it will place automatically, and you will get your crypto in your Bitunix account. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.